Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off radar in Stripe. So first head over to stripe.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, look for payments, click on it, and under it you should see the radar option. Click on it. You will then be redirected to this page. Now from here, all you have to do is switch to rules, then scroll down and look for the condition section. And from here, just disable the condition that you would like to turn off in radar and look for the three dot icon beside it. Click on it, then click on disable. Finalize by once again clicking on the disable button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!